Are you looking for the TOP5? Best upright vacuum cleaners for cleaning carpet, hard floor, pet hair. In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 best upright vacuum cleaners for cleaning carpet, hard floor, pet hair on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Dyson Ball Animal 2. The Dyson Animal 2 is the most powerful vacuum on this list. During carpet testing, it removed an average of 76.3% of the detritus we laid out for it in a single pass. The Animal 2 is also our highest rated bagless unit. It also has a washable filter, adding to its low maintenance style. We tested the total package version of the Animal 2, which comes with 5 attachments and a tote bag to carry them. After spending a week with this bagless upright vacuum, we appreciate its tons of features, but it's cumbersome to use. The unit itself tips the scales at 17.6 pounds, and with no solid handle on the back, it's tough to lug up the stairs. Also, the massive ball joint on the Animal 2 makes it difficult to clean under furniture. Number 2. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift Away. Shark vacuums are well loved online, and the Shark Navigator NV352 lives up to its thousands of good reviews in our lab. The Navigator is lighter than other Shark models, including the Apex. This makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and lug upstairs. During testing, the Navigator picked up around 38% of the dirt we laid out for it, so be prepared to go over an area at least 3 times before it's clean. These results are fairly weak compared to other vacuums in this price range. However, the Navigator makes up for it in its features and warranty. This affordable bagless upright vacuum cleaner comes with 4 cleaning attachments, including a 2-foot-long crevice tool for hard-to-reach spots. It's also backed by a 5-year warranty, one of the best in the industry. Number 3. Shark Apex Zone 1002. Like the name suggests, Shark's Apex Zone 1002 is the company's top-of-the-line model. Its dual clean feature lets it easily clean on both carpet and hardwood floors. The Apex scored almost flawlessly on our debris test, on linoleum, regular carpet, and shag carpet. This vacuum picked up uncooked rice, macaroni, and pet hair better than vacuums that cost hundreds more. The Apex comes with a crevice tool, an upholstery tool, and a motorized brush head. Normally, we'd consider that a paltry spread for a Shark vacuum. However, the versatility of its motorized brush roll makes up for it. It's thin enough to slip between cushions, but powerful enough to get the job done. Finally, the Apex excelled at our carpet cleaning test, landing in the upper third of all the vacuums we've ever tested. On average, the Apex picked up 54% of the dirt we laid out for it, the best score of any Shark uprights on the market. Number 4. Oreck XL2100RHS. The Oreck XL2100RHS is a basic but solid floor cleaner. Its hyper-focused design includes no attachments or hoses to clean countertops or curtains. At just over 10 pounds, it's easy to lift onto and up the stairs. Its 5-inch profile is low enough to fit under most beds and some couches. During cleaning tests, the Oreck picked up 30.25% of the testing dirt per pass. Normally, this is lower than what we like to see, but the XL2100RHS is so light that we think it's powerful for its size. Number 5. Bissell 22543 Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet. The Bissell 22543 Cleanview Swivel Rewind Pet is for animal lovers. It's a pretty good entry-level upright that will last a long time. Its cord can tackle just about any room and automatically rewind afterward. Also, Bissell donates a portion of the proceeds from every purchase of this unit to animal shelters. When we tested its cleaning ability, the Rewind Pet picked up 41.25% of the dirt per pass. It also impressed us with its edge-to-edge cleaning, providing suction all along its brush head.